This is the Gates 41011 water pump. The box arrived like this, and almost every box that I've received has been damaged. Obviously, damage here, damage here, damage here. I mean, this is just falling off. And this is all opened. So I'm opening this for the first time. More of the broke box. And I'm looking at this bag, trying to figure out if this item is used or not. It appears to be new. And these are the various inspection lines, I suppose, where they inspect it and they draw a little line in there. Shortly after it was installed, it began leaking exactly where I thought it would begin leaking, right here. Let's see. So it began leaking right here. So the way it sits in the engine is let's see, like this, right? I'm looking at it like this. I'll flash a picture of it that I took. And then right here, right where this, I don't know, whatever that is, this is all wet. This is all leaking in the water pump that's in there right now. And I have to pay again to have it removed and have this one installed. And it's getting to the point where I'm just noticing a pattern. This is not my first Gates water pump, by the way. According to my records, I've purchased the Gates water pump. This is Gates water pump number 7. Based on my purchase history, these Gates water pumps tend to fail on a regular basis in the same place, right here, the very bottom, right here, right along this seam is where I notice the failure. You put your hand there and it's all wet. And I was really hoping to see a much better seal along the bottom here. But I don't see that on this one. I don't even see hardly nothing of the, this is probably the thickest maybe part of the gasket, perhaps, because when I look down here, I don't see a lot of gasket hardly at all. I'll zoom in. Okay, now we can see some gasket. So right along this bottom portion here is where it's currently wet on the water pump that's there. I see a little bit of a fluffy gasket, a little fluffier here on this side. That tells me that there potentially is some design issues or production issues that need to be addressed. And if this bottom portion here is wet or leaking, then this is where gravity would take it, right? I don't see any leaks up here at the top. It's all pooling here. And I would hope that this gets more attention and this helps someone else who's considering this water pump. This one has a warranty of 1 year, and based on appearances, it appears to be a new water pump. Appears to have like maybe some kind of serial number there. A05024. And maybe there's another number here. Okay, that's the model number 41011. If this one is leaking just like the other one so quickly, I'm definitely going to have to, switch brands. Anyway, that's all I got for you. I'll put up whatever I can so you guys could take a look.